Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you are having a good day. So welcome back to the new tutorial. Today I will show you how to write a program to reverse a sentence using recursion. First of all, I will tell you the algorithm, that is, take a string and create a function to reverse it. If a string not null, then reverse string function is called with str plus 1 value as argument. Until the end of the string is reached, this goes on, and when null is encountered, then our string is printed back to front. So now let's move to the coding part. I'm writing this code in C++ language and using dev C++ editor. Okay, so let's start the code now. Using namespace std, I'll create a method void reverse string. Here I'll declare a data structure that is star star str curly brackets, and then if str is equal backslash 10 0, then return else reverse string str plus 1 cout str. After that, I'll create the main method int main parenthesis char original string array is equal to welcome to coding. I'm taking this here as an example. I've written welcome to coding. This is a string which I have written in the quotation marks, and then cout original string original string, and then end line because I want the output on the next line. So cout, and here I will write reversed string to get the output for the reversed version. Reverse string original string, and then in last I'll return 0. Okay, so the coding part is done now. Now I will just compile and run it and see what is the output. Okay, so here you can see the output, the original string as well as the reverse string. So I wrote welcome to coding, which is the original string, and you can see the reverse string, that is welcome to coding. So this is how you write the code for reversing the original string. I hope you have understood the code. So stay tuned for more videos. That's it for today. Allah Hafiz.